Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to get your WhatsApp link. So let's get started. First, open up your favorite browser and in the URL box, you just type in wa.me / your country code and your number. For example, this one. Once that's done, you can now go ahead and tap on the link right here. Or if you want, copy your link and save it. Or send it to whoever you want. And to test it out, you can go ahead and tap on the link given or hit enter. As you can see here, chat on WhatsApp with this number. Another option is you can go ahead and send it directly on Messenger or wherever. All you got to do is just type down https://wa.me/ again, country code and phone number. And then just hit send. And then after that, you can go ahead and click on this one. As you can see, use WhatsApp Messenger. And that's how to get your WhatsApp link. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the video.